Hello and welcome to this session. In today's lesson, aligned with Unit 3, Data and Database Systems, we will explore how to design a relational database for a mobile app. Using the Helix Health Services scenario, we will examine the key steps to create a robust backend system that ensures data is well-structured, secure, and efficient. This assignment is part of the ATHE Level 4 Extended Diploma in Computer. It is graded on pass, merit, and distinction levels. The scenario involves designing a database for a uniform distribution app. The tasks are divided into data concepts, database theory, and relational design. Achieving all pass criteria is essential before aiming for higher grades. The scenario is based on Helix Health Services. The focus is on designing a relational database for their app. Use appendices for uniform allocation, supplier info, and issue records. The emphasis is on back-end data management. Interface design is not part of this task. Task 1 requires a report for managers. Explain structured versus unstructured data. Discuss data types and structures with examples. For merit, assess the importance of data classification. Distinction involves evaluating data importance to organizations. Structured data is organized and easily searchable. Unstructured data lacks a predefined format. Examples include text documents and multimedia content. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective data management. This knowledge aids in designing efficient databases. Data types include integers, strings, and dates. Structures refer to how data is organized. Examples are arrays and linked lists. Proper data structuring enhances database performance. It also ensures data integrity and accessibility. Task 2 involves explaining flat and relational databases. Describe relationship types like one-to-one and many-to-many. Discuss join types and keys. Explain normalization and functional dependency. Merit requires assessing integrity constraints in relational models. Understanding both is vital for effective database design. Flat databases store data in a single table. Relational databases use multiple tables with relationships. They offer more flexibility and scalability. This knowledge supports informed decision-making. Relationship types include one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Keys are crucial for establishing these relationships. They ensure data integrity and uniqueness. Proper use of keys enhances database efficiency. Understanding these concepts is essential for relational design. Normalization organizes data to reduce redundancy. Functional dependency ensures data consistency. Both concepts improve database performance. They are fundamental in relational database design. Understanding them is crucial for efficient data management. Correct. Task 3 focuses on designing a relational database. Apply normalization to the third normal form using appendices. Produce an entity relationship diagram and schema. Create a data flow diagram and data dictionary. Present the design using professional documentation tools. Designing involves creating tables with relationships. Normalization is applied to reduce redundancy. An entity relationship diagram visualizes the design. A schema outlines the database structure. These tools aid in developing a robust database system. For a merit, identify validation and verification opportunities. Distinction requires evaluating the design with client feedback. Demonstrate how the solution meets technical requirements. Clear justification is needed for higher grades. These steps ensure a comprehensive database design. Task 1 requires a short analytical report. Task 2 involves training presentation slides. Task 3 includes ERD, normalization tables, and schema. Presentations and documentation are essential for submission. Justification and evaluation are crucial for merit and distinction. Professional documentation tools are vital for presenting the design. They ensure clarity and precision in communication. Effective presentations highlight key aspects of the database. They support the justification of design choices. This is crucial for achieving higher grades. Evaluating the design with client feedback is essential. It ensures the database meets user needs. Feedback helps refine and improve the design. This process is crucial for achieving a distinction. It demonstrates responsiveness to client requirements. This is the conclusion of the video. Designing a relational database requires careful planning. From understanding data concepts to implementing relational designs, each step is vital. This ensures the database meets technical and user requirements. Any questions or concerns? Send a WhatsApp message to 074843 61688 and our team will gladly assist. Thank you and see you next time.